It was 18 months ago that anti-deportation activists breached security at Stansted airport and changed themselves to the aircraft to stop it taking off. They were charged with endangering an aerodrome, a criminal offence introduced after a bomb brought down a plane on the Scottish town of Lockerbie in 1988. This woman was about to be deported to Nigeria, despite living in the UK for 28 years and having offered proof that she had the right to stay. When she spoke to Al Jazeera, she said the protesters had saved her life.
Those people who stopped the plane taking off, they are in solidarity with the people who hasn't got a voice, with the people the government are trying to deport. Years I've been in this country. Why do you want to deport me? I came to this country because I was heavily abused, if I wasn't in this country, I probably wouldn't be here sitting.
Defending the human rights of people, which the British government should have been protecting under international legal obligations, is what the protesters say they were attempting to do.
These flights are secretive, brutal and barely legal. I was deeply concerned about how the Home Office are deporting people who have ongoing claims.
It's frequently a horrendous shock for people when they arrive here and they're treated with disrespect and cruelty, systemic racism and brutality.
Over several years, successive British governments have created what's become known as the hostile environment, effectively blurring the lines between migrants and refugees and asylum seekers. It led to wrongful deportations of people from the Caribbean, known as the Windrush generation, and a refusal to allow child refugees in the French port of Calais to come to the UK to be reunited with family members. It also caused people trying to stop asylum seekers from being deported being charged with a criminal offence with a maximum life sentence.
Just give them a little wave as they go in.
The defendants in the case received much support throughout the trial and were often in tears after giving evidence. At least one of the people on board the flight has now been granted the right to stay in the UK. The government has now shifted deportation flights from commercial airports to a military base to stop any further protests. Sonia Gallego, Al Jazeera.